Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and to another Painted Phalanges release video. I'm always so excited to share these colors with you. By the time I release them, and I've been working on formulas and everything, I, of course, love them, and it's so exciting for me to be able to finally share them with you. Today we're talking about Painted Phalanges Christmas release. This is the Traditions collection. It has some traditional and some non-traditional colors, and some super fun names. So when I started thinking about this collection a couple months ago, I was thinking about the things that I love about Christmas. I love the traditions that we have in our family for Christmas, and I love hearing about other people's traditions. So literally for months I've been asking people in my life what their favorite Christmas tradition is, and that's how some of these polished colors were inspired, and that is how the names were inspired. These polishes release on December 1st at paintedphalanges.com. They will be $11 each, or you can get the whole set of 6 for $60. Let's talk about the polishes. First off, we have Baubles. This is a classic Christmas tree type jelly. It's an evergreen jelly polish with multicolor sheer glitter in there and multicolor and different shapes of different metallic glitters in there. And it also has holographic silver glitter in there. I absolutely think this one looks like a Christmas tree. So this kind of encompasses all of the traditions that have to do with ornaments, which is how it got named Baubles. I have an English coworker who calls ornaments baubles. That was suggested what the name of this one should be, and I absolutely love it. So you are going to see 3 coats of Baubles. Next we have Grandma's Recipe. This is a deep pink polish with some silver, golden, and copper metallic holographic micro glitter. You wouldn't believe how many people, when they first hear about Painted Phalanges, ask me if I have a pink polish. So I did set off to make a pink polish for Christmas, and this was the result. I do absolutely love it. And as we talked about at Thanksgiving time, the food at the holidays is my favorite, and I love the tradition of food. My husband makes a recipe that is his grandma's, and he only makes it once a year. He makes it at Christmas time because the flour for the recipe has to be sifted 20 times. So it's so special to everyone in the family because it's only a Christmas treat. So you are going to see 2 coats of Grandma's Recipe. Next we have PJ Party. I've heard so many people say they do it the 1st of December and wear them all month. I know some families open them on Christmas Eve. There was one year, our youngest is 18, and so a couple of years ago when most of our kids were older, we had not bought the Christmas Eve pajamas, and when my kids showed up, they were brokenhearted. They couldn't believe we didn't have pajamas, so my husband went out and bought them Christmas Eve pajamas. This polish started off very purple, but I wanted to make it different than the purples I've released before, so I added more blue to it, and I would definitely have to call this more of a blurple color now. It has an aqua green gold shimmer in there, and I think that this makes it look like the night sky. So you are going to see 3 coats of PJ Party. Movies are one of my favorite things, whether it's holiday or not. One of my favorite date nights is to go to the movies. I just love movies. Several years ago, my brother-in-law told me that they watch Christmas Vacation on Thanksgiving, and that's the start to their holiday season. And ever since then, that movie just signifies the start of the holiday season for me. I do start watching it early, sometimes before Thanksgiving, because I like my Christmas season to last a little bit extra long. And this polish was designed to look like the lights that everybody takes so much time to put up and are so fun to drive around and go look at. Not only on your own house, everybody else's house, the lights inside on your tree. So using Christmas Vacation as a theme, this one had to be named The Little Lights Are Not Twinkling. This polish has a tarnished silver base and a bunch of different mixes of micro glitter and shimmers in here, and when it catches the light just right, you can see those different colors sparkle. I absolutely love the way that this one turned out. You can use it as a topper, but the base is a little bit tinted, so you will want to be careful what you use it as a topper over. I like this by itself at 3 coats. So you're going to see 3 coats of The Little Lights Are Not Twinkling. Next we have Let's Go Caroling, and this polish symbolizes the tradition of just the Christmas music. My boss at work actually started playing Christmas music this year, November 1st, and I'm not tired of it yet, so we'll see if that makes it all the way to Christmas. This is an icy blue crelly filled with iridescent flakies, metallic turquoise hex glitter, aqua and navy micro glitters, white metallic glitter and shreds, and holographic glitter. This one is going to be personal preference for whether or not you're going to want 2 or 3 coats of this. I do like this at 3 coats because I like to see all that goodness in there build up. So you're going to see 3 coats of Let's Go Caroling. Next we have the countdown, and from the time we're small until we are adults and have children of our own, I think we count down to the holidays and special events in our lives in different ways. I know when I was young, and also when my kids were young, we did the paper chains that go on the tree or on the wall or wherever to count down to Christmas. We've done advent calendars, we've done Christmas movies each night on the countdown to Christmas. I love the anticipation of things, and so I love that the countdown just makes it that much more exciting for me. So this is a red jelly, and I think that red and gold are very classic Christmas colors. So this one has golden shreds, micro glitter, and holographic in there, and I love the way this builds up. Depending on how stark your nail line is and how long your nails are, this one may not get fully opaque because I really wanted to be able to see all of that golden, glittery, shimmery goodness in there. So you are going to see 3 coats of the countdown. So I had so much fun making these. This collection evolved into a traditional and non-traditional mix, and I love it, and I hope that you guys love it as much as I do. So you will be able to start seeing previews on the website for these polishes, and stuff will start popping up on Instagram. Tell me what your family's traditions are down below. As always, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys!